What are NFTs? How will it change the way we use things? What are NFTs? If you're not familiar with the term NFT, it stands for Non-Fungible Token. A non-fungible token is a virtual asset that is unique, meaning it's not interchangeable and can't be exchanged for another asset. The first use case that comes to mind when we talk about NFTs are cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and ERC-721 tokens. Before heading forward, check out our website, Cryptela.com, and also subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with cryptocurrency news. In short, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are any cryptocurrency that have properties that may make them unique and valuable in certain circumstances beyond their intended purpose. Examples include all CryptoKitties, rare items, or art pieces, etc. One-of-a-kind items would be considered non-fungible tokens, as each one is different and cannot be replaced by another item of equal value. The concept of digital scarcity has been around for quite some time, with games like Second Life using virtual currency to buy virtual land and goods, but never before have we seen such an explosion of interest in these sorts of assets. This new digital asset class has led to many new platforms being built on top of blockchain technologies such as OpenSea, Rarebits, CryptoKitties Marketplace, and more recently even Augur, decentralized prediction market. As you can see from these examples, there are many ways that people can utilize these assets for new types of business models. I personally believe that NFTs will be used for much more than just collectibles, but who knows what else they could do. The future is bright for NFTs. Blockchain in a nutshell. The blockchain is a decentralized public ledger that contains the transaction history of every single cryptocurrency in circulation. It's a continuously growing list of records and called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography that is difficult to break. Once recorded, information on a block cannot be altered retroactively without altering all subsequent blocks and creating detectable inconsistencies in them. Once data has been entered into a blockchain database for storage, it can never be erased. Blockchain databases are not managed by any central authority. Instead, they operate autonomously, with no one party able to control or manipulate data. This means that transactions made through a blockchain network are transparent and auditable by anyone who wants to see them. All transactions made with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum must be verified by miners before they can be stored on the blockchain. Individuals running these miners receive rewards in form of new coins created as part of each block's addition to the chain. These incentives ensure that miners work hard at their jobs, keeping their networks secure and functional, while also making sure new coins get added regularly. What is an NFT? Before we get into how they work, let's define what an NFT is and its current use cases. An NFT, or non-fungible token, also called unique tokens or UTXOs, has both a unique identity and value associated with it. Unlike fungible tokens like Ether, ETH, which can be split apart and have their parts taken from them in exchange for other tokens, each crypto token of an NFT is unique and different from any other token on any blockchain network. To understand why that's important, think about collectibles like CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties are ERC-721 tokens. If you own one kitty, you own all kitties because there is no difference between one cat and another besides their name and color pattern. If you take away some of your CryptoKitties' DNA to make another cat, you still have your original kitty. But if you took away some DNA from a real cat to make another one, then you don't have your original cat anymore. That's why CryptoKitties are unique. You can't create two identical cats with two identical DNA patterns, because each kitty has its own DNA pattern. That makes it different than any other kitty out there. How do I get an NFT? Decentraland is a new kind of virtual world built on blockchain technology, where users can create, experience, and monetize content and applications. This ecosystem will be powered by Mana, an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that powers everything in Decentraland. Users' land purchases, transaction fees to decentralized application developers, etc. In order to purchase Mana, you must first buy Bitcoin or Ether from an exchange that accepts fiat currency. Once you have BTC or ETH, you can transfer them over to one of many exchanges supporting Mana trading. You may then purchase Mana with your BTC or ETH balance using their USD or another supported fiat currency. If you wish to learn more about purchasing Mana directly with USD via Coinbase Pro, click here. List of games with upcoming NFTs. CryptoKitties, Ethereum, Gods Unchained, and more. A blockchain is a public ledger of all cryptocurrency transactions that have ever been executed. It is constantly growing as completed blocks, the most recent transactions, are recorded and added to it in chronological order. These blocks are called blocks as they build on each other, forming a chain. The blockchain is shared between all nodes participating in a system based on distributed computing, cryptocurrency. A full copy of a currency's blockchain contains every transaction ever executed in the currency. Benefits of owning a unique gaming token. Tokens, in general, offer a new level of ownership over their digital products and services and can add a lot of value to many games out there by allowing them to connect with their users on a whole other level than they could before. The average gamer has hundreds of items in his or her gaming account, but prior to blockchain technology, there was no way for a gamer to truly own all these digital assets that provide so much fun and entertainment. With non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gamers now have true proof of ownership when it comes to their in-game assets. This means that if someone steals your rare sword from your virtual inventory, you'll be able to track down who stole it and reclaim your property. Plus, since each token is unique and cannot be replicated or falsified, players can be rest assured knowing that they're getting exactly what they paid for. Reasons why you should care about NFTs as a gamer. They allow for interoperability between games. If you have an item in one game, you can trade that into another game using a cross-game blockchain. Let's say I'm playing World of Warcraft, but I want to play Hearthstone and try out a new deck without having to start over again in Hearthstone. All I have to do is trade my WoW character stuff into a token, then go buy new cards for that character when I log in again. In addition, NFTs could be used as tickets or season passes to events like concerts or conventions. When I get there, I'll just pull up my phone and show them that they've already paid me admission. Finally, let's say you're on vacation with your family at Disney World. You could load up your kids' phones with tokens so they don't need cash to spend on rides or food throughout your trip. It's not hard to imagine how these types of items could become popular among players. Conclusion: NFTs may fundamentally transform how human beings value resources and exchange them, says Schwartz. It could very well be that we now stand on the precipice of a brave new world in which non-fungible tokens make transactions truly peer-to-peer. There is little doubt that NFTs have immense potential for growth. What remains to be seen is if they can live up to that potential. Always remember to like our videos and share it with your friends and family. Help spread the word of Cryptela.com, your #1 stop for news and education in cryptocurrency.